Good day, everyone. My name is John Mark Tawidi.
And also, my name is Jun Rebiloso.
We are here to present our project prototype entitled Food Reservation System. So, this project aims to make food ordering and meal reservation easier, faster, and more organized, especially for customers who want to reserve meals ahead of time.
Purpose of the project: the main purpose of our food reservation system is to help customers reserve their meals in advance to avoid long waiting times and ensure that they prepared dishes are available when they arrive. It also helps food businesses manage orders more efficiently by tracking reservation and customer details automatically.
So, ang among system day is goods for kanang magbiyahe mo. So, makatabang kayo ni sa imo ha. So, kibali, example, napa mo sa biyahe tas gigutom na mo. Wala pa mo sa exact location ninyo kanang inyong adtuan. So kung gusto ninyo nga pag-abot ninyo dito maka-lunch na mo. So mag-reserve na lang mo pod. So mo ni among gihimo para sa among system, mo ni among gihimo para makatabang or sa among purpose. So ang first step is full name ninyo imong ibutang. Example, Tawidi and Biloso. Example ra ni. And then select pod. Mag-select pod ta. So fried chicken meal akong pilion. So duha man mi, so akong himog upat para duha-duha mi. Four. And then reservation date ko kanus anin nyo na adtuon, kuhaon unsa nga kibali pitsa kat 24. And then reservation time unsa oras ninyo kuhaon didto. 12 example ano to? 12:55 PM. So and then among bayran nun is 7:20. So submit reservation na dayon.
Also, gusto mo add more food, just click the button add more food, then select food. So example is rice. So quantity is 4. Example is 4. Then also add more food, then select food. Example is Coke, goods for 2 person, quantity